Hey guys, we're going camping today. Right now, we are in the grocery store looking for marshmallows to roast later.
Got on my leather jacket.
Marshmallows! Ayan na siya! Oh my gosh, may marshmallows na! Wait, kuha tayo. How many are we gonna get, Tata? How many are we gonna get?
Dalawa.
Okay, dami naman. Yeah, we got marshmallows finally! Yes! So guys, we just arrived at RDC Campsite and look at the view behind me. Oh my gosh! Isn't it so cool? This is my first time going on a camping trip.
Meet me outside of my palace. Don't need no approval, girl, you valid.
Guys, we are now going to explore the camp, the area. Let's go. Come on.
Don't watch me do it, close your eyelids. Inside.
It's so windy, guys. Guys, here's Tito Anton. He just finished taking a shower doon sa CR. Say hi.
Hi. Sarap maligo, may kulto.
It's raining. Hello, maambon. Tapos kita pa yung sili dito, oh. Yan, oh. Liit. Tata is now cooking the hot dog. Yay! And barbecue. So yummy. Over here, we have Tito Anton relaxing inside after he got tired setting up the tent. What can you say sa vlog?
Comment kayo guys, saka share nyo.
Yeah, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe. Oh my god, it's raining.
From the first time, I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when